Alright, now it's time for the collector. Oh man, I've been super excited for this. I was trying so hard not to buy an entire box. You know, we'll just start with one collector pack at a time and go from there. One of the Black Rose. Smith. Twisted Ambition. Thriving Bluff. Fellwall Stone. Oh, cool. Slimefoot and Stowaway. Slimefoot and Stowaway. Mountain. Generous Gift. Oh, Slimefoot and Stowaway. Look at that, the full art. Faithless Looting. Azusa, right on. Ogre Slumlord. Sorry for my mispronunciations of shit. Calamity of the Titans. Hell yeah. Treasure Nabber. And Spellseeker. Right on. Oh, got one more. Oh, that's the birdie.